Hello, Year 3. In today's lesson, math lesson, you're going to look at some different word problems involving fractions. Before you take on those word problems, I'm going to go over a technique that we've covered a little bit in class this year. It's a way of solving word problems, and we can use a technique called RUCSAC. That means, first of all, we read the problem. Let's read through this word problem that I've put on here, which involves fractions. There are 8 cakes in my fridge. 3/4 are chocolate cakes. The rest are lemon cakes. How many lemon cakes are there? The next thing we do on our RUCSAC process is underline. So the key information here, okay, 8 cakes, that's quite important. I'm going to underline that. There are 8 cakes. 3/4 are chocolate. The rest are lemon. So I know there are 2 types of cake. 3/4 are chocolate. How many lemon cakes are there? So that's really important. It's not asking me how many chocolate cakes, it's asking me how many lemon cakes. Next thing I'm going to do is choose the calculation that I'm going to do. Well, I need to find what 3/4 of 8 is to begin with. Okay, so if I want to find 3/4 of 8, I do this calculation. I do 8 divided by the denominator, so we would do 8 divided by 4. If you know your times tables, you're going to know straight away that 8 divided by 4 is 2. If you don't know that, you can use some of the techniques that have been shown to you on Tuesday and Wednesday's lesson to solve that. Okay, so 8 divided by 4 is 2. If I want to find 3/4, then I need to do 2 times 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. And actually, what I would do if I was doing this in my maths book here, I would write over the top of that, because 3/4 of 8 is 6. So I can just get rid of that. Put 6 of them chocolate cakes. I'm going to answer the question now. 6 are chocolate cakes, the rest are lemon cakes. How many lemon cakes are there? Well, 8 minus 6 chocolate cakes equals 2. And I make sure I answer the actual question here in my book. I would write 2 lemon cakes. Okay, that's an example of how you can look through a word problem and give yourself the best possible chance of getting a correct answer. On the next 3 slides, I'm going to show you each of today's challenges. You don't have to do all the challenges. Today, challenge 3 in particular is quite difficult. So if you've spent an hour on challenge 1 and 2, and you can't do challenge 3, that is absolutely fine. It's the kind of challenge that in class we would love to sit with you on the carpet and explain in detail. Okay, bye for now.